As a licensed massage therapist in the great state of Washington, USA, I can tell you legally to drink water. Feed the raccoons. Anyway, auto massage. Massaging yourself. Since there's easier because you're there. Water bottle, good. This one's a Contigo. And this is great. It's got a little knuckle right here so I can like dig it out. Oh. And I can hear. But we're not doing that now. Do that anytime. I highly recommend it. You put warm water in it. Oh my god. Anyway, I got my bathing suit on. And my hoodie. And my hands. Oh, stretch them out. Oh, so good. They dance now. Oh, there it is. Shake it out. That's always good. Snot rags. Anyway, posture. We're going to do cat's claw on our traps. Opposite sides from the front. Instead of usually do it to someone, your shoulders were here, I come up behind you. I would, no thumbs, thumbs free. Grab like that. Grab like that. Oh, that's a good one. Grab it. Like that. Oh, that's good. Cat's claw on the forearm. Oh, another side of, oh my goodness. There's so many muscles. But we're going to do the traps. Trapezoids. Like bat wings that go back of your head. Out. There's the shoulder blade. Ridge. Spine of the scapula. And down the back. So it goes to shoulders up into the head. And all down. And there it's on top. It's superficial. Meaning it's not deep. Oh, I can scratch myself pretty good. This is nice. Just do what feels good. To your own extent. Feel it. Be prepared to feel your way through. So I'm kind of grabbing my neck. Oh, and there's my traps. See, now if I do this arm, I'm using this arm. And I'm letting this whole shoulder relax. And I'm going to grab it like that. Right at that. Oh. It works really good the other way. And then you just hold it and squeeze it and it kind of squiggles out. And then I'm going to do it again. Oh my god. Oh, that's the spot I found earlier. Right over my... Oh. Thumbs free. And get the heel of your hand in your clavicle there if you can. Oh, that middle finger found it. Oh, okay. I'll grab the whole thing. Oh. Breathe. Relax, breathe. Let it go. Cat's claw. Do it on a friend if you can. Come up behind him and... anyway, like this. Thumbs free. Save your thumbs for eyes. Wipe your nose, wash your hands, say your prayers. Be safe, be good. Kids, don't try this at home. Go outside and play. I'm praying pour water. We love you so much. Take care of yourself. Have fun. Beauty day.